In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Figma faster if you're experiencing lag. We all know how frustrating it can be when our favorite design tool doesn't operate as smoothly as we'd like. Whether you're in the middle of a complex project or just getting started, these steps will help enhance your Figma experience by improving its speed and responsiveness. First, to begin, open your web browser and go to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we all know and love. Once the page loads, if you aren't already logged in, you'll want to click on the Login button. You'll find this button typically located at the upper right corner of the Figma homepage. Enter your credentials and in just a moment you'll be redirected to your Figma workspace. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your Figma home. This is the hub where you can access all your projects and files. To get there, simply click on the Home button. Consider this space as your design central, organizing all your ongoing and past projects so they're easily accessible. Now that you're at the Home interface, you'll want to open the design file you're currently working on or looking to improve. Find your project by clicking on Design. This action will bring you directly into the canvas area where the magic happens, allowing you to view and modify your design work. Once inside your design file, you'll want to navigate to the Plugins section. The plugins are incredibly powerful tools within Figma, but when numerous plugins are active and not in use, they can significantly slow down performance. To enhance speed, go ahead and click on Plugins. This will give you a list of all the active plugins associated with your account. After you've accessed your plugins, take a moment to evaluate which ones you need and which ones can be disabled temporarily. To do this, click on each plugin you want to remove or disable. You simply have to click on Remove next to the plugins you aren't currently utilizing. Removing or disabling unused plugins is an effective, quick win to speed up Figma's performance. Lastly, by disabling any other unused extensions or features within the design tool, you can free up resources, resulting in a much faster and more efficient performance. The key here is simplicity. Keeping your Figma workspace lean and free from unnecessary complexities will help maintain better speed and efficiency. And there you have it. By following these simple steps and managing your plugins and extensions, you'll notice a significant improvement in Figma's performance. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.